What if a long number could become a tiny movie in your mind? The Dominic Memory System does exactly that by turning digits into people, actions, and memorable scenes. In this video, you will learn how the Dominic Memory System helps you remember long numbers by changing them into vivid mental pictures. Here is the big idea. A number becomes letters. The letters point to a person and an action. Then you place that person doing that action somewhere familiar, like your bedroom, kitchen, or front door. In a common Dominic code, each digit stands for a letter. 0 is O, 1 is A, 2 is B, 3 is C, 4 is D, 5 is E, 6 is S, 7 is G, 8 is H, 9 is N. For example, the pair 15 becomes AE. You might choose Albert Einstein as the person, with the action writing on a chalkboard. Your own list works best when the people are easy for you to picture. Now imagine the next pair is 82, or HB. You might choose Halle Berry, with the action posing under a spotlight. In a 4-digit chunk, the first pair gives the person, and the second pair gives the action. So the number 1582 becomes Albert Einstein posing under a spotlight. That strange image is much easier to remember than 4 plain digits. A common mistake is trying to make the image realistic. Do not do that. The image should be unusual, clear, and a little funny, because your brain remembers surprising pictures better than plain lists. So far, you have learned how the code works, how number pairs become initials, and how 2 pairs combine into a memorable image. Want to remember this technique long-term? Tap the link for Quizlet study tools, then jump back into the video. Lock in what you learned and keep going. Next, let us transfer the method to a longer number. Start by cutting the digits into chunks of 4, then split each chunk into 2 pairs. For the first chunk, 27 can become BG, so your person might be Bill Gates. 49 can become DN, with an action like his drumming is noisy. Together, you picture Bill Gates drumming loudly on a giant laptop. For the second chunk, 05 becomes OE. Choose a person who fits those initials, like Olivia Evans. Then 16 becomes AS, with an action like skating. Picture your OE person skating through a library. Now place each image in order along a mental path. Put the first image at your front door. Put the second image on your couch. Later, walking through those locations helps you recall the number in the right order. Watch out for one common error. Do not swap the person and action. In each 4-digit chunk, the first pair gives the person, and the second pair gives the action. That order protects the number. Try the steps with a new number. First, chunk the digits into groups of 4. Next, convert each pair into initials. Then choose the first pair person and the second pair action. Finally, place each scene in your memory palace. To recall, reverse the process. Walk through your locations, notice the image in each place, translate the person and action back into initials, then back into digits. If you want to practice what you learned today, check the links in the description for Quizlet's memorization guide and study tools designed to help you remember it longer. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.